How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you doing it yourself. So guys, first of all, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do what I have just said, or how you can apply this method. So open your favorite browser. For me, it's Chrome, and go to Google Maps, which is this one, and wait for it to load. And here, go to the search and type the United States, because that's the market we are going to apply this method to. It's the best market you can apply it to, the best currency. Here you can find a lot of small business owners and a lot of small business owners that care about their profile in Google Maps. So here let's zoom in on the country, and here choose a state or a city to start with, to start the method in. You cannot go to, for example, you can't just jump from state to state. Make sure to always reach out to all of the small businesses that you will find in one city. After that, you can jump to the other one, but without completing, without reaching out to all of the available business owners, you cannot jump from city to city and say that the method is not working. You need to try it first. So here, for example, I'm going to choose New York as a city I'm going to start with. So here, let's zoom in on New York, and let's go to the search. I need to open the search in here. I need to refresh. The side panel is not showing, which is this one. So here guys, in New York, go to the side panel, which is this one, and type the kind of small business you want to start with looking for. So for example, let me go for hair salons like this, and here you will see all of the available hair salons in the area, but it took us to another area, not the New York area. So here, let's come back. Let's go to New York, and again, let's search for hair salons in this area. So here, just like that, as you can see, we can see all of the hair salons in this area. And also guys, in order to choose the best small business to reach out to, make sure always to check their profile. Always pay attention to how many reviews, the number of reviews that they have, and also if they have a sponsored written in the top of their profile. Always avoid those with sponsored in the top of their profile and those with more than 150 reviews, because that means they have a team or they have someone doing what we want to offer them. They have someone doing what we want to offer them, so there is no need to contact them too. So here, let's check this one. For example, he doesn't have a sponsored written, and also he has less than 150 reviews. So this would be the best prospect for us. Scroll down to see if they have a website, because that's the best service we can offer them. That's the first service we can offer them, which is building a website for them. And if you are wondering how you can do that without even knowing how to build websites, don't worry, I will show you how you can deliver the services to them without even having any skill. So here, keep remembering with me, the first service we're going to offer them is building a website, and by scrolling down we're going to check if they have some bad reviews that they would like to remove or they would like to get rid of, because bad reviews give a lot of bad reputation in the market, because people focus a lot on negativity than positivity. So here, let's scroll down to see if we can find a 1-star or 2-star review. Here we have this one, 1 star from 8 years ago. I called to get information about pricing for my wedding. When I called back to schedule with them, the lady had changed all the prices, as well as wanted to bring in someone else to help with makeup that was charging $200 more than what she had quoted the first time we had talked. So this is a bad review that the business owners would like to remove, even though it's from 8 years ago, but it still pops up to people and it got 1 like. So that means this is a very serious bad review, and that's what we're going to use. This is our winning card. It's what we're going to use in order to convince them to purchase our service, because if you showed someone a bad review from their business and say that this bad review is preventing them from getting more money and from getting more clients, it's giving bad reputation to your business, I can just remove it for you easy, just for $200. They would pay without even hesitation. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill. You will just go to fiverr.com, which is a freelancing platform that you can hire freelancers from to do the services that you cannot do, or to deliver the services that you can't deliver. So your job is to just find the small businesses and reach out to them, call them, or send them a message or messages to book an appointment with you. Then you can close them and get paid. Then you will take the money. For example, if you got paid $200 from this client, and you go to fiverr.com and you hire someone like this freelancer to remove the bad reviews, you will hire him just for $25, and you will be left with $175 in your pocket, without even learning any skill or without doing or delivering any service. So that's a very lucrative business to run. And also, if you multiply the same method on the other salons, then you move on to plumbers or auto repairing garages, you can make from $200 to $2,000 easily. So I think, guys, you get the method, or you get the idea. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.